Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll be again exploring forces, but this time specifically looking at wind forces and how scale and turbulence can affect the particles in particle flow. So we're going to click on the Weigh button and then select Forces, Wind, and then front view, drag a box there. Then we're going to add some drag on the left view there. And we're going to open our particle systems, PT source, and then particle view for the window. Then once again add our wind and drag forces so they work. Then selecting our wind, gonna modify the scale and turbulence. So first we'll bring the strength down to 0.1, scrolling down and adjusting the turbulence to 1 and the scale to 1. We can see moving the frames that they're going kind of everywhere. There's not really any uniformity to it at all, it's quite random. However, this time when we turn the turbulence up to 2 and the scale down to 0.1, we can see that when we slide the frames that it's smoother. Next we're going to modify our drag by changing the X, Y and Z axis to 100. And then we can see when we move the frames that although they're smoother, there's much more turbulence within them. And we're going to select the wind again and change the turbulence to higher, to a 10, and the scale even lower to 0.01. So we can see with that little experiment, the higher we turn up the turbulence and the lower we put down the scale, the smoother the particles act, depending on what the drag is doing.